Good morning, welcome back everyone. New week, and we're going to continue with our work that we've been doing on the angles. Just a quick recap. With your cutting and pasting activity with the corners of a triangle, we found that they all equaled the same as a straight line angle. That straight line equaling 180 degrees. We're going to use that in our work today to calculate the missing angle on a straight line. Remember that a half turn, this half turn, is a half of the whole turn. So if a whole turn is 360 degrees, a half of that would give us 180 degrees. So instead of doing a whole turn all the way around, we are literally doing a half turn, and we're still on that same line. To try and simplify it a little bit, if we don't know what that angle is, if we took that one away, we would be left with that angle. So if we took 130 degrees away from our half turn, our 180 degrees, we should find that we are left with 50 degrees. If we got rid of that for the moment, and we don't know what that is, then if we took our 50 degree angle away from our 180 degree angle, we should be left with this angle over here. Hopefully 130 degrees. So let's have a little look at how we can do that, put that into practice. Here we've got our straight line angle, and that's been split up into a 120 degree angle or turn and a missing angle of A degrees. So we know we've got 180 degrees in total, the whole half turn. I want to take that away in the hope that it will leave me with that, the rest of our half turn. So 180 degrees, subtract 120 degrees, should leave me with that. Now, by all means, do a little standard written method calculation. If you feel more secure in doing that, please do. And as the numbers become more complicated, then definitely I would strongly advise it. Nothing from nothing gives us nothing. If we're subtracting 2 from the 8, we get 6. 1 from the 1, nothing left. So we're looking at a 60 degree turn. Okay, let's do another one. You may get on to, the Monday activities are very much looking at just 2 angles, although there is an extension at the end that you can have a go at. As you get on to Tuesday, they become a little bit more complicated, and we end up with 3 angles. Now here we've got 30 degrees, 100 degrees, and our missing angle, A degrees. So we want to take all this away from our 180 degree angle, all of that, that's the 100 and the 30, to leave us with just that angle. So this is how I want you to write it out. 180 degrees, subtract the 30 degrees added to the 100 degrees. Notice I've put that addition, these 2 angles added together, in brackets. That's because you need to do that first, or it's good practice to do so. So, writing it out underneath, 30 and 100 degrees, 130 degrees. Writing what we've got left, remember from your BIDMAS work, 180 degrees, subtract 130 degrees, and that should equal 50 degrees. Any little calculations you want to do on the side, do them. If you want to check, please do. We can add the 50 to the 130 to give us 180 degrees. So lots of ways you can check. We'll do another one. So here we've got 65 degrees, we've got a 30 degrees, and we don't know what that middle angle is. So again, we want to get rid of these. So we're left with just that one angle. So let's remind ourselves how we write this out. The total angle, straight line, is 180 degrees, that turn. We want to take away from it, and remember, put it in brackets. 30, add 65 degrees. Again, if you want to do this as an addition, by all means, put one number under the other. So I'm going to go 60 and 30 is 90, add 5, 95 degrees. 180 degrees, subtract 95 degrees. Now, it might be at this point you're thinking, right, I really do want to do that subtraction. 180 degrees, subtract 95 degrees. 0 subtract 5, remember, we can't do that. So let's put a little line through there. We're going to leave 7 of those 10s there and exchange one of those 10s for 10 1s. 10 subtract 5, it's 5. 9 from my 7, I can't do. So again, I'm going to have to cross that one out, take that 100 and exchange it for 10 10s, giving me 17 10s, subtract 9 10s from it, will leave me with 8 10s. Therefore, that missing angle, when we've taken those two away from 180 degrees, gives me 85 degrees. Okay. We'll have a little look at this one tomorrow. Do have a go, enjoy, and if you've got any problems, let me know and we'll talk about it then. Okay, all the best, take care, bye.